Very good morning. Well, I am the Rajneesh Kumar again here. I am on the lecture 21, class 8 in the New English book As a Boy Ruskin Bond. Yesterday, I started the chapter first of the reader. Again, chapter first for the reader. Here, in the yesterday lecture, I gave the 50% of the that lecture. Yesterday we discussed about number 1, the details and the biopic of the Ruskin Bond. And second, we discussed about the paragraph first. We knew about the personification. We knew about the metaphor. Basically, this chapter, As a Boy, is a mini autobiography of Ruskin Bond. If you want to study and take best part of this poetry, you should not be a very rational. You should not be a very actual. You should not be a very calculative. You should not be a very professional, because especially this poetry, because please find out the real sentiments, the real imagination and the true real approach of the Ruskin Bond of the past period. So here the logic, rationality does not work. So understand with this, with your imagination. And if you will take the help of the imagination, you will understand the betters and ins and the out of this poetry. Here I am in a paragraph 2. They put then out of the tunnel a green gold dragon. Basically, the dragon is an imaginative bird. There is no scientific word, there is no actual word. Basically, dragon is an imaginative bird. Or you can say this is the animal nobody could see by today. It is simply imaginary. So, the word has been the green gold dragon. It is nothing, it is a metaphor. The metaphor, what now the question is what the metaphor is. Metaphor is just simply an instrument of a figure of speech that gives you the resemblance. Suppose I say you are a Virat Kohli of Motihari cricket team. So here the Virat Kohli is metaphor. You are a Khali of your village, means Khali is a metaphor. In the same manner, the out of the tunnel a green gold dragon come ploughing and the thundering past. Here the imagination of the past. 2 words has come here that has been written here in a red words, that is the plugging and the thundering. Plugging and the thundering, these 2 words, the ends with the ing means this is the continuous word and it having the very distinct sense. Distinct sense means the continuous sense. Continuous sense means this is a ongoing sound. Basically this is a sound. Out of the tunnel, out of the dark, and the train rolled on every day, and hundreds of the people coming and the going or the running the way. Because on that way there are so hundreds of the passengers. Hundreds of the people is coming and the going. Coming and the going. Train for what? Train is nothing, it is simply an instrument of the carrying the travelers. So, it has been the history that the per day, the passenger uses, the traveler uses the train. And the goodbye, I have not seen you again, bright boy at the carriage window. Earlier, I was making a goodbye to all the passengers, the train. The Ruskin Bond having this sort of the approach. But in the last paragraph, there is a completely a classic imagination of a train itself that behave like the personification. I have not seen you again, bright boy at the carriage window. The passenger are saying, the train is saying to the Ruskin Bond, these days I am not watching you, I am not seeing you. But I have loved you all these years and looked for you everywhere. But remember always these things. If you are not on a mode of the goodbye and waving your hand, despite I am always in the search of the you. Sometimes in the coming and sometimes in the returning. So please endorse this sense. In the cities and the village beside the sea, even I watch you in the city, in the village beside the sea. Just beside the sea I also watch you. In the mountains, in a crowd of the distant place, in a mountain, in a crowd, in a distant place also. Your memory well in the mind, I always recognize, you are the well recognized me and I am always recognizing you even beside the sea, mountains, jungles, on the traveling going path and the traveling coming path. Returning always to the forest silence to watch the window of the some passing train. And not only these things, also when the trains comes and goes other train, there I also see you. I have a great sense of the respect. I have a great sense for your waving the hand. It is well in the mind. I am addressing you and I just want to give you the best of the compliments from my side. The train is displaying these things. So here in this poetry, in the one way, Mr. the Ruskin Bond is showing, displaying and the portraying his the innocency towards the train during the past day. But as the time passes, the train is also respecting the Ruskin Bond, his gratitude, his love, his respect, his compliments towards Ruskin Bond. So there is a completely collaboration of the childhood and the train, and both are a very lively, memorable and the classic example of personification. Thank you very much. Be a stay in your home.